When people hear AI automation, they usually think of tools. ChatGPT, Zapier, Make. But businesses don't think in tools. They think in outcomes. Saving time, reducing errors, improving efficiency. So the real question isn't what tools are being used. It's how are businesses actually using AI automation? In this video, I'm going to walk through real-world use cases across different parts of a business so you can understand how this works in practice. Let's start with sales and lead management. This is one of the most common areas for automation. In many businesses, leads come in through forms, websites, or ads. Without automation, someone has to manually check submissions, copy data, and follow up. That creates delays and missed opportunities. With automation, the moment a lead comes in, the data is captured automatically. It's stored in a system like a CRM or spreadsheet. A notification is sent to the sales team, and a follow-up email is triggered immediately. In some cases, AI is used to analyze the lead. For example, is this a high-value prospect? What service are they interested in? How urgent is the request? Based on that, the system can prioritize leads automatically. This improves response time and increases conversion rates. Now let's look at marketing and content. Most businesses struggle with consistency. Posting regularly, writing emails, creating content, it all takes time. With AI automation, this process becomes structured. For example, a business stores content ideas in a spreadsheet. That triggers a workflow. AI generates a draft based on the idea. The content is formatted and scheduled automatically. Instead of starting from scratch every time, the system handles most of the work. This doesn't replace creativity, but it removes the repetitive parts. Next is customer support. This is another area where automation has a huge impact. Without automation, support requests sit in inboxes, waiting to be reviewed and assigned. Usually, that leads to delays and inconsistent responses. With automation, incoming messages are captured automatically. AI can categorize the request. Tasks are created and assigned to the right team member. Urgent issues are flagged immediately. This improves response time and keeps everything organized. Now let's talk about internal operations. This is where a lot of businesses lose time without realizing it. Think about things like approvals data entry, task assignments, reporting. These are often handled manually, but they don't have to be. For example, a request is submitted. The system routes it to the right person. If approved, the next step is triggered automatically. Notifications are sent. Records are updated. This removes unnecessary back and forth and keeps processes moving. Another powerful use case is data and reporting. Businesses rely on data, but often it's scattered across systems. AI automation can pull data from multiple sources, organize it, and present it in a usable format. For example, sales data from one system, marketing data from another, customer data from a third, all combined into a single report. Instead of manually building reports, the system updates them automatically. This helps businesses make faster, better decisions. Now here's the key point. Across all of these examples, the pattern is the same. A trigger, a series of actions, and sometimes logic or AI. That's it. The tools may change, but the structure stays the same. And this is what businesses are really looking for. Not someone who knows a specific tool, but someone who understands how work flows, where problems exist, how to improve systems. That's where automation creates value. If you're learning AI automation right now, this is what you should focus on. Understanding real use cases, not just features. Because once you understand how businesses actually use automation, you can apply that to any tool. If you want to keep learning how to apply AI and automation in real-world situations, make sure you hit like and follow the channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday focused on practical, beginner-friendly automation. And I'll see you in the next video.